Good morning and welcome to our newly renovated Ain Aar campus. Over the summer, our physical plant was very busy because we redid so much on the campus. 3 indoor playgrounds, we redid bathrooms, new music room, new art room, new cafeteria, new entrance hall, and many more spaces, outdoor spaces, as well as our auditorium. So I would like, of course, to thank the physical plant for their incredible work over the summer, but I would like also to thank the Parents Committee of Ain Aar, who were instrumental in achieving this success. From the beginning of the project, they supported us and they accompanied us for the entire project. So thank you as a group, between the school, the administration, the teachers now, the students, and the physical plant and the parents. We did a fantastic job. So thank you everyone and welcome.
And the perfect planning, our students were back on time with a positive impression about the school renovation. Parents, teachers, students were all impressed and were all thrilled with the transformation of the school, which boosted their morale, motivation, enthusiasm, and mostly renewed their school engagement and school belonging.
As a shining example of what can be achieved when a community comes together with a shared vision. The renovated facilities will benefit generations of students, providing them with a better place to learn and grow.
Hi, I'm John Khabaz, member of the Board of Trustees of IC. Ain Aar is very important to us as a Board of Trustees. I'm happy to be at Ain Aar today, where I visited all the new improvements to the school. The parents and teachers of Ain Aar can rest assured that there's more new developments coming and improvements to the school.
I am so pleased today to visit the new Ain Aar campus. For me, all the renovations that happened here are really amazing. It's for me like coming to another school. Actually, big thanks go to our Buildings and Grounds Committee, headed by member of the board, Mr. Ain Aar Tahir, to the whole board members for approving all those facilities. A big thank you to the physical plant for the great work that they have done. I want to tell you, thanks to all our parents, whereby it's your participation in the development fee that enabled us to finance this big project. Really, thank you very much, and I hope you will enjoy our new Ain Aar campus. Thank you.